Hey, what's up everyone? I welcome you once again to one of my tutorials. In this session, I will be talking about how to create a simple HTTP server on your computer. I am using Mac and this is the environment of my favorite editor, Visual Studio Code. For the purpose of this video, I created a directory called Python server directory and a small HTML file, very basic one, with the title server hosted page and the body with the text server hosted page as well. And now, of course, if I want to access this file through my Chrome browser using a localhost and a port number, it's not possible. I'm getting the error, this site can't be reached. While I still can access the file by using the entire path to the file, using pwd, I found out where the file is exactly located and I will copy the entire path into my browser. And now when I get the entire directory listed, I can select my index.html file and I get it displayed. Server hosted page in a title and server hosted page in the body of this HTML file. But still on the localhost, it doesn't work. So how can I make it work through localhost and the port number? It's actually really very simple. I will use Python 3 and a very simple command. Simply just write Python 3 space -m space http.server and hit enter. And now by default, the entire contents of this directory where you currently are located, for me it is Python server directory, will become hosted on this little application server on your localhost under the port 8000. And that's where we are going to find our file now. So I will go back to my page and when I now click reload, I get my page displayed. And this is the simplest way how you can create an HTTP server in Python. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.